Torrential slide value equivalent to 345.60 rands a coin. The present cost range, 340.89-351.48. The earlier day close, 344.57. The change was plus 1.03, plus 0.30%. Reverse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Avalanche cost expectation on Monday. April 17, cost 344 rands, high 368, low 320. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday. April 18, cost 344 rands, high 368, low 320. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April 19, cost 356 rands, high 381, low 331. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday. April 20, cost 356 rands, high 381, low 331. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April 21, cost 366 rands, high 392, low 340. And multi-week torrential slide conjecture on Monday. April 24, cost 373 rands, high 399, low 347. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April 25, cost 379 rands, high 406, low 352. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. April 26, cost 379 rands, high 406, low 352. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. April 27, cost 373 rands, high 399, low 347. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday. April 28, cost 373 rands, high 399, low 347. In about 14 days, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. May 1, cost 380 rands, high 407, low 353. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday. May 2, cost 382 rands, high 409, low 355. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. May 3, cost 381 rands, high 408, low 354. Torrential slide figure on Thursday. May 4, cost 366 rands, high 392, low 340. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. May 5, cost 371 rands, high 397, low 345. And 3 weeks torrential slide figure on Monday. May 8, cost 382 rands, high 409, low 355. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. May 9, cost 378 rands, high 404, low 352. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday. May 10, cost 384 rands, high 411, low 357. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. May 11, cost 391 rands, high 418, low 364. Torrential slide figure on Friday. May 12, cost 377 rands, high 403, low 351. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. May 15, cost 383 rands, high 410, low 356. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday. May 16, cost 382 rands, high 409, low 355. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 315 rands. Exorbitant cost 406, while low cost 304. Found the middle value of cost 350. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 373. Change for April 18.4%. Torrential slide estimate for May 2023. In the first place, cost at 373 rands. Exorbitant cost 431, while low cost 340. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 387. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 403. Change for May 8.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 403 rands. Excessive cost 434, while low cost 378. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 405. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 406. Change for June 0.7%. Torrential slide figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 406 rands. Excessive cost 406, while low cost 345. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 382. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 371. Change for July 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 371 rands. Excessive cost 460, while low cost 371. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 408. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 430. Change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 430 rands. Excessive cost 430, while low cost 336. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 389. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 361. Change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 361 rands. Excessive cost 361, while low cost 282. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 327. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 303. Change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 303 rands. Excessive cost 367, while low cost 303. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 329. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 343. Change for November 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 343 rands. Exorbitant cost 350, while low cost 304. They found the middle value of cost 331. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 327. Change for December 4.7%. Torrential slide gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 327 rands. Exorbitant cost 327, while low cost 256. They found the middle value of cost 296. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 275. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 275 rands. Exorbitant cost 341, while low cost 275. They found the middle value of cost 303. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 319. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 319 rands. Exorbitant cost 319, while low cost 249. They found the middle value of cost 289. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 268. Change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 268 rands. Excessive cost 268, while low cost 209. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 243. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 225. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to AVAX conversion standard equivalent to 0.2894 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.2845 minus 0.2933. The earlier days nearby 0.2902. Change for now 0.0008, 0.28%. ZAR to AVAX cost expectation for in the not so distant future in months.